Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a new group on the Snapchat. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Snapchat here. So I'm going to click on the Snapchat and then we have to go to the chat section here. So after going to the chat section, as you can see, you will be able to see the different types of chats here. Now what we have to do, we have to go to these options, and after that you will be able to see the option here, new group chat. So let's click on the new group chat here, and now we have to choose that whom you want to add. For example, I want to add this one here, so let's choose that which one you want to add. Or if you want to search any of them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to search the name here, so for example, let's choose this one here. And after that, if you want to add a group name here, you have to add the group name. For example, I'm going to write the rough here, so you can write the whatever you want, and I'm going to write this. And as you can see, you have to click on the chat, and after clicking on the chat, the group is done. So in this way you can add multiple options. In this way you can add multiple users in your group on the Snapchat. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your group on the Snapchat. So see you in the next video.